Folks, Edgemore Raffle here. Good early morning. As I said, we are on the L&C today. We got L&C Train 12 working here in Chester at the Interchange, getting ready to put his train together to head to Richburg. Let's go. Alright folks, that's L&C Train 12. Just grabbed his cars for the morning here. He got to go pull up there and do some switching, and then they're gonna head east towards Richburg. Now that's L&C Train 12 pulling eastbound through downtown South Carolina at Main Street. L&C and its connection tracks. ST60M and fresh GNO paint. RSTL horn. Scott Hopper, my buddy, at the throttle. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless.